Okay, so in this episode of Gab Details, we are going to be doing the modification to the Orifice for the Amazon foam cannon on a 2008 Lexus IS250. The car's coated with Wolfgang Uber ceramic coating. The windows are coated with MATCC glass coating. The wheels and tires are already clean, so you'll see that there is a level of hydrophobic properties. I have the foam cannon filled with warm water to about here. So I'm going to put 3 to 4 ounces. It's going to take a little bit of time for the Honeydew to go through the funnel, but I'm going to measure out, where are we? Here's ounces. 2 ounces on top, so almost two full measuring cups. Here is number 1, probably about 2.5 ounces. And here is number 2. So we'll wait for that to fill up the foam cannon. The first part of this test is going to be with the Orifice that comes with the foam cannon. We'll check to see how thick the foam is. We're using the Ryobi Electric pressure washer, 1600 psi. And then I will show you how easy it is to swap out for the new Orifice. And then we'll test the foaming capabilities with the new Orifice. So again, with the stock Orifice, and I will adjust the knob once I start so that everybody can see that it is set to the highest foam setting. So again, Wolfgang Uber ceramic coating, so you can see where, you know, some of the foam is starting to break up. You know, warm water in the foam cannon, and, you know, 3+ ounces of a dedicated snow foam, and this is the result. I'd say an electric pressure washer is sufficient. If you want to go gas, that's up to you. Okay, so I changed the field of view on the GoPro to narrow. So as you can see, we're going to use a 5/8 inch wrench for this fitting here. As you can see, it goes over real nice, and then just once I get it positioned correctly, I mean, it's almost just a little bit tighter than, say, finger tight. So you unscrew this. You can see it has an O-ring on it, and inside there, let me get a flashlight. You can see the size of the hole in the middle of the orifice. Now all we need is a flathead screwdriver, As you can see there, no problem. Just unscrew it here. The lighting is pretty bad, but it's pretty straightforward. And then out it comes. So you can see this is the orifice that comes with it, and this is the orifice that we're putting in. Yeah, videos on the GoPro aren't fantastic, but I think right there you can get a pretty good idea of the hole difference. You can get it right there compared to the one that comes with it. Pretty big difference. So all you're going to do is drop this one in and then go back with your flathead screwdriver. I want to make sure I'm filming this properly. So put the new orifice in, snug it down, and we are good to go. You want to put your fitting back on. Again, it goes finger tight, and then you take your 5/8 wrench and just a light snug. So now we're going to go test the driver's side of the car with the smaller orifice modification for the Amazon foam cannon. Now with the upgraded orifice. See, this area here on the lower part of the door hasn't really started to run off at all. On the windows, so again, you can see even in the thicker spots, the coating, you know, because it's self-cleaning, is going to, the surface is going to act different. So it appears that the foam is thicker with the new orifice. Remember, I did use warm water in the foam cannon with 3+ ounces of a dedicated snow foam. So if you didn't see my last video, I kind of responded to some of the comments I get on the Glossworks video where I compare the Chemical Guys foam cannon to the Amazon foam cannon. So I do have a second orifice, and I'm going to see if if it's different than what comes in the Chemical Guys Torque foam cannon. If it is, that's just another video. So I need to rinse and wash the vehicle. So for an Amazon foam cannon update video, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and for more detailing videos, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks.